to know the easiest way to get car count? On this video, I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps that you need to take, and then I'm going to show you a real life example. And right after that, I'm going to take it up a notch and show you how to 10x your results. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this video. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So at the beginning of this video, I wanted to talk to you about the easiest way to get car count. I'm going to give you the 3 steps. I'm going to show you a real life example, and then I'm going to kick it up a notch and show you how to actually get 10x the response from any other method of distribution. So let's jump into it. Number 1 is download this cheat sheet on how to generate your own kick butt offers. It's a simple 1-page cheat sheet that's going to show you exactly how to generate offers that sell value and not price. That way, you can keep doing this and never have to worry about giving away your bottom line profits. And what's best about these offers is that you can change them from time to time and according to seasons. Like, there's going to be an AC inspection for the spring-summer season and the fall-winter season with tire changes, and you can do tire rotations and add anything else. It's all in that cheat sheet, and links are in the description down below. I urge you to start with that right away. Step number 2 is give that offer a hot headline. Look, you don't read a whole newspaper from front to back. You scan the headlines and you read only what's enticing to you. So on this example, where George at Extra Mile Auto gave it a headline of a Valentine's sweet deal. It's simple, and of course, being distributed in February for Valentine's, it just makes sense. And if you look at this offer, this is the way you put together deals following my Kick Butt Offers cheat sheet that, of course, links in the description below, and you can generate your own offers. And all you have to do after that is put a good headline on it. And the 3rd step to getting more car count is take that offer with that headline and actually get it out. Now, George at Extra Mile Auto was using this in a monthly customer newsletter. But it could be a postcard, it could be a direct mail newsletter, it could be an electronic newsletter, it could be a Facebook post. It doesn't much matter if you formulate the offer where you're showing the savings, like I detail on my Kick Butt Offers cheat sheet, and put a powerful headline on it, it's going to win the clicks. Now you want to take that deal and get 10x the redemption? I'm going to share my phone with you and show you exactly how that's done. You go ahead and send out a text message, something like this. It says, Matthew, here's a sweet deal just for you on Valentine's Day. Check it out now, and a simple link to go ahead and click that link. Customer gets right to that sweet Valentine's deal, and there it is. What's even better about this is on the GoMo text system, the customer gets to fill out his information and book his appointment, and he doesn't even have to redeem the coupon because he does it right here. Just select that Valentine's sweet deal, fill out any details, then just tell a repair shop that you would like it to be confirmed by a phone call, a text, or an email, and book your appointment. So why does putting that same offer in a digital coupon work better? Well, number 1 is statistics prove that digital coupons get a 10x redemption rate over any other method of distribution. Number 2, a majority of your customers would rather communicate with you by text than any other method, be it email or phone call. And what's really cool, on the GoMo text messaging systems, customers redeem the coupon right there, and you know what they're coming in for before they show up. Look, there's no downloading, there's no printing, there's no save this message and show us when you show up. It's all done, and you know what the customer's coming in for before they even show up at your front door. So what you have to do right now is go ahead and download that cheat sheet on how to create your own Kick Butt offers and quit giving away your services. I show you how to package them up with good value. Then all you have to do is give it a good headline according to the season or the time of year that you're doing it, And if you're still hanging around at the end of this video, go ahead and watch this next video about marketing your repair shop in 2020, or this video here about the 7 reasons why you gotta use text message marketing in order to succeed in 2020. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon. And don't forget to subscribe.